Hi there, my name's David from Kestrel, and I'm going to show you through the new CheckoutWC slots feature. So we recently launched the checkout editor that allows you to change colours, the logo and settings in your checkout, and now we've added a new slots feature. So the slots feature gives you a bunch of slots across the checkout that you can add content into, such as trust badges, customer reviews, etc. So I'm just going to walk you through how those work. So at the moment, I'm on the one-page checkout. This also works on the multi-step checkout. It's the same thing, but I've just set it to one-page checkout so that you can see every single slot on the page. So if you go to the slots, if you hover over each one, you can see where they all are. There are a number of slots available, including ones in the cart summary area. So now you can see the slots. I'm going to show you how to add content into them. So on the after cart summary totals, I'm going to add in some of our trust badges that we've already created. If you want to add a trust badge or an order bump, etc., you can do that directly from here. I'm going to go ahead and add in some of our trust badges now. And you can see in that slot, they appear. If you want to, you can add a heading. I'm going to put in why choose us and add that in, and that'll appear in the slot. So it's added at the bottom. If you want to, you can drag items around. So our heading's now above, and you can also drag items from one slot to the other as well. You'll also notice in the badges section, you can control the column widths. So for example, in here, this is set at the moment in the cart summary area for trust badges to 2 columns. If we want that to be 4, we can change it there and it'll change. We can also control the mobile columns and the amount of columns in the checkout area, and they're independent settings for trust badges and customer reviews. So let's look at the customer reviews. So let's just, for now, put in a customer review slot here. So if you put some customer reviews in, this will pull all the reviews from your WooCommerce reviews and add them in, and you can control the column widths there. For the reviews, there are a few extra options, so you can choose the priority, the minimum amount of stars to display, etc. So that's how you add the reviews in. So I'm going to, let's remove those out and then show you what order bumps look like. So order bumps are upsells that you can add into your checkout, and a user in one click can add them to their order. So if this customer's come on, they're looking to order a jacket, they've filled in all the details. We want to, at the bottom near the terms and conditions section, we're going to add in one of our order bumps. So let's add in our socks order bump, and these can go in any location. And there you can see, you can now click and that will automatically add some matching socks to the order, and they'll get a 10% discount. You'll also see, if you edit order bumps or other items within the slots, you can also set a margin as well. So if you find that these are not spaced enough, you can put a custom margin in. Other items that you can add in for now are custom HTML. So if you wanted to add in just some text or anything of your own, you can do that too. So if we add that in, and then that appears here, useful for when you want to drop in some custom code. So that's just a brief overview of the new slots.